Hello, this is my 3D Unity project. I'm here to quickly show it off. This is also probably like my 9th try with it. In my last one, I said that I was using a canvas scaler for the ammo, and then I immediately proved myself wrong when I checked in Unity. So I fixed it, and I'm recording again. So this game takes place, it's a first-person shooter, in like a pretty shiny, futuristic town. Semi-western, semi-alien, I don't know what you'd call it. But we've got this nice little point of interest up here that leads the player over there. So the real goal here is to have some fun and shoot these targets. But we can't actually afford these guns on the table. Just, you know, out of our morals, we're not going to steal them. So let's take a coin, and let's get this MP5 here that I modeled in Blender. It's a pretty cool gun. I don't like that it's just the color black, that it's really boring. So you can see we have an ammo canvas down here. It scales with the screen. I promise it used to not scale with the screen until a couple minutes ago. But we're out of ammo. Uh-oh. I guess I'm just a really bad shot. I only took out one target. So let's reload it. And I kind of want to shoot it, but I don't know. I don't think that these targets should be shot with this gun. So let's go grab a second coin and take this gold gun. And this gold gun has a special feature. As you can see, when we go over the target, the crosshair goes red, but that smart crosshair is there for the normal gun too. The gold gun, you could press Q and you can aim down sights. It snaps to aim down sights, but you slowly transition back. As you can see, it kind of messes with the screen space reflection to the left and the right. Alright, let's try to, breathe in. I don't know how I hit that. Wow, that was really crazy. Right, for this one, we're going to go for the 360 no scope. I should join the esports club. Reload a clip. And yeah, so let's just do a little bit more movement. We can walk around and we can press shift to run around. With the gun bobs a little bit. Just uses the animator. The smart crosshair uses raycasting and tags to figure out what isn't an enemy, and it sets the color of a raw image. It changes it. The UI on the top left, like my live system in my other game, it uses a boolean with a set active, well, arithmetic to boolean to set active. And the bottom left, I had to import unityedge.ui, and it just sets the text. Let's just run out of ammo here. And as you can see, when you shoot a wall, it has this very nice little particle system that uses gravity that pops out. So when we're aiming down sights. These use self-fracture in Blender, which I thought would make it look nice, but it did kind of come out looking like a pizza. I don't really properly know how to do self-fracture in Blender. I just did the default settings. So I cut it in the center like a pizza, which, it could have looked better, but I preferred to use my own assets for that. Just do that. And what else can I say? I made my own procedural skybox for this. As you can see, that's the sun reflecting. I didn't make my own, that's not what I mean. I mean, I used the procedural skybox shader and I customized it to change the colors a little bit. Got to get that cleared up. Otherwise, I have canvas scaling. Let's go into Unity so I can show it off for a second. Close that up. 4K, QHD, this one, just 16:9. Yeah, I think that is nice to have because I have a 2K monitor. So I gotta make sure that it works for all my 1920 by 1080 friends. And what else? I am using an animator boolean to lock the aim down sight in until you let go of Q. And I'm just using animator.play so that you can shoot fast. I think that looks cool and fun to do, But that way I can have it smoothly transition back and forth without having to fully set the position. And I think that's all that I have to talk about programming-wise for this project, so thank you for watching.